What's up, everybody? How you doing out there in TV land? We got some exciting stuff today. And I actually don't have my mic muted for the intro, so we're off to a good start. I just gotta feed my animals real quick. Got a little Turtonator behind me, Jarvis. We got Earl over there in the cut. You can't see Earl from where you are. Got some collard greens, some arugula, apples, carrots, some calcium powder. Good stuff. You excited? There's Terminator. It out, man. Go. Next dragon I get, I'm naming Shenron for sure. Just gonna give Earl the rest of this real quick, and then we'll get it cracking. Give my hands a light rinse. But yeah, on Monday, if you were watching the stream, I was making the favorites favorite feature. The favorites feature. So today we're going to play with the home screen and actually implement that. Right. So let's check out a couple of things first. Trying to show you guys this other tab, and it's not like it doesn't exist. There we go. All right. So what we did was this, the favorite feature. All right, shortcut. We added the schema. I had to paste that instead of migrating for whatever reason. Some SSL nonsense. But I'm gonna grab this done all here and paste it there, because all of that is done. So now we're gonna start here. Fix home screen feed. Order from top to bottom. And I do want to put a search bar. I wonder how hard a search bar is. Let me just ask real quick. Mr. Copilot here. Just switching branches and stuff. I feel like it's not that hard. If I just think about it, it's just searching through the content of the page and rendering a list of items that have that content. That went through the app and found the page section collapsible, because that's another thing. I want it to be super specific, or feature that the user is looking for. There used to be a send with code base button. It doesn't exist anymore. I guess it just always has it. But this is the home page. So. Okay, let me look at Chrome again. While that's running. So we're gonna have our home cards. We're gonna have events, news, features, and then the footer. Should have a custom component called home card. Alright, this is what the meat and potatoes is going to be. Favorites feature, I'm going to take this out because this is implemented. I was going to do it the opposite way, but I did it this way because I thought it would make more sense to create the functionality for the feature. And then, so basically right now, even if you're on the live website, this should have maybe I'm tripping. I'll go back to the home page and just hit refresh. So what I'm looking for is a favorites array. See if it's in the localhost. because that was how I knew that it was working, is that we got it in the console. But medium, 6 out of 10. Data indexing, you need to index all searchable content. Strategy configs, feature descriptions, search algorithm, need fuzzy matching, right, navigation, performance, okay, yeah, so that's going to be a whole separate other feature that I'm not going to do today. Keep it light. Some UI stuff. Let's see, W there to view this on the web. I feel like it should have been showing up. So. Oh, y'all saw Zygarde in my screen? Yeah, it's pretty dope, right? Finally got Mr. Zygarde. Yeah, so here we go. Not sure why that wasn't showing in the production version, but either way, this is what the homepage looks like right now. Oh, you guys can't see this other one yet. So I do like the colors and stuff, but we're gonna change it up a bit now. I got rid of this. Okay, yeah, so this little thing highlighted down here is the favorites. And we're gonna continue to use this web today instead of AVD, because I still haven't messed with that. Now, close this and that. Alright, let's get back to our to-do, and I'm going to copy this in. Oops. Okay. Let me copy all this, paste it in. Oh, darn it. This IDE and plan mode. So the other day I did the Raptor Mini in plan mode, which was pretty crazy. But I said earlier, I said during that I shouldn't have tried both. Today I'm just gonna do plain Claude Sonnet. Raptor was doing some cool stuff though. We'll see. We might mix it in a little bit. But I do have this cool look. At least I think it's coming along here with some of these outline things and whatnot. So we shall see. We got the green system. We got the red events and news. Orange is the user shortcuts. So these are going to be the color code, if you will. Right. So I want them to be the same height. So unfortunately this didn't copy over like I wanted it to. I'm gonna stop putting my to-do in there, definitely. But to the event cards on this page, use CTA typography. Style. Maybe blank. And I think that should be about it. Each will be pressable. Yeah. So let's play around with that. I'm gonna go ahead and give it the link for, just go to Pokemon DB, it's actually right there. Do really like this site. So I'm not gonna see it. Maybe, oh here it goes. RSS newsfeed. Copying the URL from the address into your newsreader. Let's see what that's gonna look like. So the messages button, although it just looks like a button, it actually will have a flag. Hold on. It actually will have a flag if you have a message or an alert. So, also this newest feature thing, I want them all to look very, very similar, but still have their same functionality. So same height as the current news. Those aren't new events, they're news cards. Picture and date. Picture category. title and subtitle, which will just be 1 to 2 sentences of the story. There will have to be a new page made. Show the rest of the story. Not sure how that would work, but we shall see. We shall see. We're still in plan mode, so we can just hit enter basically and see what it says. Now, for some reason I thought the DLC dropped this morning or today or something, but that's not true. I don't know why I thought that. I didn't give it any context, but it's finding it all, I guess. Why is it looking for an analyzer? Huh. I feel like this file is all I really needed. Everything in there is from this file. So I'm actually kind of in the middle of doing a recording for what you can do with Zygarde and what you can't do with him. So I'm going to switch over to this screen and mute and kill a mic for just 1 match real quick. Yeah, so what I'm doing is basically showing that you can keep him in his complete form all the time, so long as you follow a few rules. Don't put him in a box. Oh no, I lied. Wow. Well, I didn't lie, I was trying to figure it out. I figured it out. No! Well, there we go. Dang, got it with that trick or treat and then hit me with a brutal swing. That's pretty cool. Oh boy. I don't know if I exactly need the potion, but I should use the full restore. What is wrong with me? That is nuts. She said, seriously? That's too funny. Make some notes here. Zygar 100% form. Don't put in Pokeball. Put in box. Start challenger ticket. Man, I need to get the shiny Zygarde and Sword and Shield so I can transfer it over. But that's gonna suck that I couldn't bring it back. For any match. Not in Royale, maybe? Question mark? You can put it in the Pokeball if it's Mega Evolved. But if it's Mega Evolved, you can keep it. Not in your pocket. How many shards I have? I have 20. What can I buy? It's crazy that these are so much. Because finding those shards is like not that fun. I mean, it's alright, but who really wants to do it? Guess I'll do Not that I even have one, but. So, Copilot is done with the plan. Restructure home card with home screen with home cards and RSS news. How did that fly here? Oh. Let's see. Okay. Color-coded borders, green system, orange shortcuts, and green Pokémon Legends RSS feed. Alright. Props for title, icon, path, and border color variants. The news doesn't refresh long enough for full to refresh. The badge and the home and the messages responsive flex layout. Got it. Hit stop because I don't need to send it yet. Oh. I don't know if that was clear by their little thing here. 3 home card variants, system. Oh, I guess it already has that. Integrate RSS by caption, effect cards, create new card component. Blah, blah, blah. Put it down the next route. The full article review. View with images. Organized font layout. Newspaper. one. Fetch on mount with a query or refresh on. Card info, title, for the newest 2 stories, whatever they're called, articles. Yeah. Another name for the word article. Here's 2 articles, and then that one, make sure I have this flow right. Normal cards. See, there are no events right now. Oh no! I just erased all of my typing that I just did. Damn it. I'm just typing this again. Such the current info for the 2 most recent articles. Display that and button like all events. News. What? I ran around and picked up some medals? That's funny. What is that base ratio there? $546 over 42. So it gets multiplied by 13. Interesting. 2. This usually manually put in for now should be create an admin interface or keep them in admin configs. Computer. We'll consider future scalability. No, just leave. The button. There are no participation. Like the words with nice hover effect. Same song for the button. Okay. Also, events show that section that all events show awesome. Favorite features, empty state. Okay, so if favorites empty, if not signed in. Because you have to be signed in to use favorites. Show home card that says sign in to add shortcuts. Else. Show home card that says add shortcut. Which opens a modal that explains how shortcuts work. I'd love to supply a little video, but for now, in that modal, describe the process showing the heart icon empty and full. Excellent questions. Let's go ahead and hit send on that and let it do its magic. What? What are we gonna do in this here game now? Just trying to remember what else I was trying to do with Zygar. I guess I can figure it out as I go. But he was a straight go. What's up, Zygar? Got a really spot out right now. And then my starter. And then Karina's Lucario. Who can fly? Hey. That's zone 1. Shiny Pichu. Oh. Go. Still can't get across the water. Shoot the whole van. Lucario can. I can't. Tempted to do some more late night battles. I'm gonna do get some coffee with my Pokemon. Oh wait, no, that's not what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to set up a bench if you want to do more of them. I don't know where the bench is with the prettiest sights, but I'll figure it out eventually. Eventually. Forgot my chair wasn't locked in position. There we go. Hang out with your Pokemon. Check the squad out, man. What was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I wish you could make them not move. Oh, you can make them all be away with the music. Oh, that's lit. Oh, I hide it. PokePages over here going crazy. This is why we can't have a national dex anymore, guys. Because they have to make so many different animation states for every Pokemon. And sound effect. And interaction. And then we still complain about the game. If only that was useful. There we go. Yeah, let me get up. That was cool. Oh, I actually kill some time here. If I get a good route, I'm gonna try it out. This is what I saw in this YouTube video earlier. Copilot is working hard. Newest feature is not the phone. Where am I at? Hey! Is that the one? No, it's this one right here. Ooh, it's about time to go through my boxes, I'll tell you that much. Because they're getting full. What am I looking for? Oh, the battle party box, which is full of nonsense. I did get a shiny Pidgey like yesterday. This morning maybe. I heard. Yeah. Pretty cool. Decent stats. I might trade it to my girlfriend. No. Oh. I just want to be that guy one time and see if they'll let me be that guy. Oh, wrong thing. Oh, I didn't actually make a party, I did the same thing last time. Dang it. This song slaps. Okay, we're getting there, I see some changes happening. Why does it say I have a new message? Is it exactly what it said, or is it that I can't have Zygarde at all? Let me just play around here. Copy. I just did them in like some weird order. So okay. Alright, so yeah, now I wanna do one. Oh no, I don't. Not that downplay. Oh, this page is full of garbage. There it is. Still. So now serious about this special Pokemon. So Zygarde you just can't bring. I'm not surprised. I could have looked in the rules to figure it out. Honestly, all this is probably in the rules, but dang it. No Zygarde. I could, however. Oh, you can't just do it random. Bro, are you serious? It's either ranked or private, there's no public. And you can't even make up the passcode, so you can't even have a. Ay ay ay. That really sucks. Special Pokemon not allowed. Special Pokemon up to 1 not allowed. Up to 1. Sure, I'm getting out of here. It like really sucks. I guess I just didn't expect people to play it. Oh, so I can't even use 2 legendaries. I see. Naturally. Probably a terrible squad, but... Gyarados does cover ground for Deontay. And Deontay isn't weak to rock at least, or electric. I gotta get up there. Ooh. I'm stuck on my cord. Oh, I'm running away from you. Oh no, again. Yeah, I'll sure stop. Yeah, you're about to get this work. KO real quick. Nice. I don't even have that good of moves on Shorty right here. Oh no. I can't swap out again either. Alright, at least I'm in second place right now. I need 2 quick victories. Get your ass over here. Damn it! Hit him, quick! Ah, he dodged it with his stupid... Oh no, wrong person. No! Damn it. I gotta go home right at the right time. Get that real quick. Yes. Gotcha. Haha. Hey. Needed that right at the end there. That's what I thought y'all were saying. Hey, there we go, there we go. Not even that many points, but I'll take it. Oh yeah, I need all that. Thank you. Alright. Oop. Let's check this code out for a bit. So, first of all, we don't need the terminal right now. Just read through this real quick. Feature registry, check off store, create components, create the RSS service, create the news card component, news listing page, article detail page. That's the dynamic right there. Let me create the shortcuts modal. Let me create a home card section component. Update the main home page. Update the main home page with all news sections. This will be. So I was just looking at the UI here. Oh. Need to hide some of that. I'm gonna put them in a. Oh, they are in a file called news. Oh. They need to be in the layout. Resources, guides. Name is news. guess I'm might as well just have it there. News/index. Why is it showing both of them though? Is it because there's no layout file? Guides. Title news. Label news. Sorry, got tied up in the song there for a second, but I don't know, I was thinking about having news and events in one page eventually. But one item here, but then they would have to be on one page. What if I just don't have them for now? Header found. Oh. Sure. Style. None. Is that an option? Display. None. Pretty sure that's how you do it. But that's not working. Hidden. Okay, so let me keep going. Created the home card component. It did not listen to me as far as how tall I wanted it. It made the other things that tall and shortened everything. Okay, home card isn't the right shape, size. It should be a square, always. I think it's, whatever, responsive, and it gets bigger and smaller. I don't know, I kind of do like that. Maybe just if they were taller. Dang it, I keep pressing enter instead of shift enter. Let's see if that layout thing fixes it. So hard to resize this window sometimes when it stretches across different monitors. So yeah, okay, that's what I thought. Since the card itself no longer has it. Okay. So yeah, that's good. They just should get smaller on smaller screens. There should be 2 on each row on mobile size screens. They should be not just smaller, but they should be less wide, narrower. The title what the hell? It didn't do the news at all. That doesn't make sense. Did put the events at the bottom. I'll give it that. Title of the card should be no background. It should be green like this view. Let's change the system color to the primary color. Icon. Oh, and I had already favorited one. That's why I have a favorite there. That's lit. See if it works. It does work. So let's remove that favorite. Oh, I don't have a server running. CD API server npm start. Okay, let's refresh that. Get that heart. There, still nothing. Oh, maybe it worked. Calling toggle favorite. Thought it worked. For on and off games, Pokedex tracker. this one here for some reason. Okay. That's better. It still is not listening to me. Where is the damn this component? I'll change it myself. Dano set. Home card. I need to bring up this index page in another window here. View all events. Okay, yeah, that's the BG accent, or the app accent color. That's what I want it to be. Go back to the home card. System. Title color. Oh. I see. Wait. Let me look at the app again. Okay, yeah, that's it right there. So I want that for all of these. I don't need the dark thing. Let me change it to the damn light mode real quick. A little bit too bright for the light mode, huh? Let me go to the Tailwind config app accent. Oh, that's the grass type? Interesting. So, what would look good here? Bug? What about bug type? Ooh. That's better. Maybe. Hey, we got a nice little hover animation. We need animations on all these though, for sure. And accent. We'll do dark is text dark. I can never remember how you're supposed to do this. Am I tripping right now? Oh, it's because we're not in the class thing. Okay, so it needs to come after the main thing. Alright, it's right there. Oops. That's supposed to be accent. And we'll do that for all of them. Which really just means we can delete the title color. Title, variant, styles, interface. Oh, but then it's font styles. Oh, well, we can put it here. What? Oh, I didn't save because I put it there. It saved because I took it off. I mean, it changed because I took it off of the other one. Oh, that's for a new feature. Dang it. I'm looking for title. There we go. What in the heck? Go back to Tailwind. Accent dark. Let's go down and see what it actually is. Accent. Can't even see that. What kind of accent is that? I'm gonna close it out here soon, but we have made some good progress here. Oh, I think I called it wrong. At accent dark. There we go. There we go. Now, can we go to news slash or just to news? Oh, I can download the button. That's pretty cool. Install PokePages even when it's localhost. I was wondering that. I'm not gonna mess with it right now. Why is this the wrong one? Oh, because go back here, accent. We have to say this is for dark. We want PG dark accent. There we go. Now. Where is this quick access? I know it's on this page. Oh, it's in home cards. Oh, I like how it went with the Aria level 3. If I don't need this page. I don't know if that's good because I can't see it. This index page properly showed me that there's no news. Home card. Is this one I'm looking? Yeah. Okay. So let's just outdent that and replace this with this. But it doesn't put it if there's not one. Few more news button. Yeah, here. I don't know if I like that being centered. Maybe that is better. We'll go back here. We'll go to the news. Paste this in. I don't know why I always have to fix the indent. There's news. And the news is not in its own view. What view is that? Darn it. You all of, oh, definitely not what I meant to hit. Oh, that's just the hero section, I see. So, right. Cool. So now we've centered things instead. Conditional events section. View all events button. Latest news section. Features. Okay. So active counter events like this greater than 0. Ah, I see. This is the no current events view. So I'm just going to put that literally at the bottom. Again, have to indent, outdent everything again. Really like comments, yes. Why are there no comments? Copilot, okay. See if there's any margin. Do I need a margin top? No. Margin bottom. Let's say 2. Yeah. Cool. We're getting there, we're getting there. Now. Latest news. That probably should have been a separate thing, but this started the homepage being so boring, so I wanted to spruce it up. I knew this wasn't going to be too hard, but it would be done probably if we didn't try to do that as well. Oh well. Oh, and I like the way that it looked before, so kind of mad that it changed it. I gotta go online again. Trying to think about who I was seeing that. pick him instead of Gyarados. Yeah. There we go, now we're talking. Give me just a second, y'all. so it seems there was a cores issue. That's why when I am vibe coding, right, we are still programmers. I'm sitting here asking it to add debugging logs, and then we'll look at them, right? It said it's a cores issue, very clear. That's blocked by cores, no access, blah blah blah. So it seems there's a fix for that. Added cores proxy. Let's see if that made any changes. Hey, that sure did make some changes. Alright, we are getting some news. Yes, sir. So, and we can click on them. Oh, wow. And it even has the link. Awesome. Don't want this here. Thank you. It's making my tabs way too small. Oh, you guys couldn't see stupid Gemini thing in Google Chrome. So obviously this is passing in raw HTML, which is fine. We can just account for that. Does it not pass in a picture? Class image. So also the back button. Few more news. Alright, that's cool, but hold on a sec. Sorry about that. Also, the back button is going to the news screen instead of wherever it came from. So, does it not send this part? Let me go here and look at that. 2249. Interesting. This one is not, the same. Well, this one's not showing up. Yeah, I don't know what time zone this is. Because that hasn't happened yet, I'm pretty sure. It's like 10:49 p.m. So Today is working, but it's asking HTML. Please fix the back button. Stories category. Here is Pokémon Legends today. I wonder if I could put it with Thunder Client. Yeah. Interesting. It doesn't have the stuff above it. Who knows? But let's close that and keep that because that's working. The news card. Is it on the news card itself? Yes. So pressable image. See, there's no image being found. Not seeing the image, okay. Not seeing the category. Where is that coming from? News article. Category is just a string. Probably gives it a default one. Yeah. It's pretty cool though. Okay, I was about to say, there's no views in this. This can just be TypeScript. It's not TSX. Alright, so let's try to fix those two things. And I guess we'll just maybe put it in the drawer and see, you know, I don't know. drawer when I'm just getting it from another site. And it doesn't even say that here. I wonder why it's not showing the one from today. Interesting. Let's go ahead and send that. Oh man, I had you guys on the small one the whole time. What a fool I am. But yeah, it's not. It's passing in the HTML, and the back button's not working. We're not seeing the pictures, and the category is not being passed in. So check out the home page, see if anything changes. Oh yeah, in the meantime, I can find these buttons. Index, events. So it's not the text color, but the festival color. And now, control phone, view more news. There we go. There's a fly flying on my head. It says it fixed it. Let me refresh. I don't see anything. Everything looks exactly the same. What are you talking about? Just in case, I guess I'll restart it with a clear cache, but maybe that's it because it is caching these locally. Maybe that's why I didn't have this error, because it was done just a few minutes ago. Because it's news. It's hot and fresh right off the press. Alright, we're loading up. And we still look exactly the same. WT Frank. What is going on? Am I tripping? Alright, let's see if the back button still works. Okay. Why was it hard-coded to news? But the rest of them are just the same. Okay. No. Class pattern doesn't capture a group. Let's play this damn game, y'all. Oh, that's right. I think I just made a new team. Yeah, because I was seeing Victory Bell out there. She can get smoked. Town Flames could also cover Lucario. Man, what is wrong with this thing? Let's see if Raptor can fix it. I doubt it. With just minimal guidance. Who do I got out here? Deontay? No! Damn, I should have been quicker. That's dumb. Too bad, I can't even run. Catch up to him. Damn it. No way. Ah. I need to get Logan, man. All these water type Pokemon. What am I supposed to do? Damn it. Damn it. Where did that person go? I was fighting Dang it. No! Couldn't stop quick enough. At least I'm tied for last right now. No! Dang it. I almost knocked out so many folks that time. That was a terrible match. Log article excerpt and image presence and home. Ah, there we go. We are really all placed for second. That's too funny. Alright, so we got it working in home, but not in the other one. Let's just get a quick little snippet of how it's looking so far. That's not bad, it's not bad. No events available. Should probably update this eventually because these are kind of the same. These could be buttons. But I don't know, I kind of like them. Just being some info there, I guess. But we're getting there. Still not quite 100%, but it's getting there. Need more news. Boom. Let's see if yeah, not quite. There should be a note here about this is from what you call it, Pokemon DB, and just that word itself will be a link. But pretty cool little RSS feed. Never worked with that before, so it's getting there, it's getting there. RSS service. Hey, there we go. Still definitely having some issues. Image and stuff like that coming in first. So it's probably not meant for exactly what I'm using it for. Might have to do a little more research. Do sanitize full article content. Yeah, I'm gonna read through this, and it's gonna be kind of boring, but at least we got the meat and potatoes of it, the beginning of it, information about Pokopia. You know, we got actual news in PokePages. We got news, we got social events. Let's go ahead and put that news on the drawer, like I was talking about. This ain't gonna be live today or tomorrow, but eventually. Close all these, damn it. Can't find a layout. Yeah, oh, darn it. Boom. Article, boom. I just guessed. Awesome. And it just works. The power of Expo Router. Thank you, Evan Bacon. My hero. Probably put events at the bottom, since there's not any right now. I don't know. Maybe I'll make some. There'll be PokePages tournaments or something. But there actually is. I just don't have them up here. So, and this is probably where I'll have claiming stuff. I don't know. Claim and events, something like that. Or maybe I should have it all in news. Who knows? Who knows the right way to make a UI? We have a drawer, top tabs, and bottom tabs. Not a terrible idea. I know that thing re-rendering is annoying, but still. But I definitely need things to scroll away. Because I need more screen space for the content. That'll be a cool one. Alright. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Staying active in the chat. Y'all have a wonderful